Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the secret island in the Fish Eat update. So the latest Fish Eat updates on Roblox is finally here, and everyone been dying to know where is the new island, because here, as you guys can see in the update log, there is a new area that consists of new quests. You can unlock it to these new areas. So what you need to do is just spawn your boat and go to the island. So this is how you can find the island from the Fisherman Island. You can just go here. As you guys can see, this is the new island of Fish Eat, and you can find the new NPC to start a new quest in the game. You can just go inside like this. I don't know what it's called, observatory. You can just go inside and talk to the lead scavenger hunt scientist. Okay, you can just click on start quest. Here you need to find 4 of the mechanical cores and you'll be rewarded. If you want to know the reward, you can just go to the quest list in here. So these are the rewards that you can get, and I'm going to talk about the quest in the next video. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.